Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Last time we met in our grammar lecture. Last time हमने किया था ना, याद है आपको? हमने ग्रामर में किया था वोवेल्स, कॉन्सोनेंट्स किया था. उसके बाद we learned capital letters, we learned small letters, we learned chapter of alphabets, right? Which chapter did we learn? English alphabets. Okay, we learned capital letters, we learned small letters, then we learned vowels, and we learned about the consonants also. Okay, students. So today we are going to learn one very nice poem in English. Okay, students. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn a very nice poem. What is the name of the poem? Ducks on the water. What is the name of the poem, students? Everybody will repeat with me. Ducks on the water is the name of our poem. So today, students, we are going to start new poem. What is the name of the poem? Ducks on the water. Have you seen ducks anytime, students? Ducks देखे कभी आपने? Did you see ducks anytime? You can see the picture of ducks. So many ducks are there. Can you see the picture of ducks, everyone? Yes, here so many ducks are given. See, look at the picture of ducks, everyone. Can you see these ducks? Right? आपने देखा है duck कभी? Have you seen ducks? Look at this pretty pretty ducks. You can see in the picture. So today we are going to learn the poem Ducks on the Water. Everybody repeat after me. Ducks on the water. Okay, students. So we will start our poem. चलो. Ducks on the water. Then what is the second line? Quack, quack, quack. We know how do ducks speak. They say quack, quack, quack. Ducks कैसे बोलते हैं? Quack, quack. Dog says bow, bow. Cat says meow, meow. Duck say quack, quack. Okay, students, did you understand? समझ में आया सबको? What is the name of the poem? Ducks on the water. Okay, what is the name of the poem? Ducks on the water. Did you see the name of the poem? Ducks on the water. Okay, then what do ducks say? Duck says quack, quack, quack. Cat says meow, meow. आपको पता है ना? Cat says meow, meow. And dog says bow, bow. What do duck says? Duck says quack, quack. Okay, students, आपको पता है birds के बारे में? You know there are so many birds. Some birds can fly. कोई birds fly कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कोई birds fly नहीं कर सकते हैं. They are on water. So which bird is now on water? Ducks on the water. This is the name of our poem. Okay, we are learning about birds. You know peacock, students? Peacock पता है सबको? You know cock, hen, peacock, pigeons, right? Crow. You know all these are birds. Okay. So in this poem, इस poem में हम कौन से birds के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? We are learning about ducks. Ducks on the water. I know everybody is repeating after me. कर रहे हो ना repeat सब लोग? Come on, repeat. What is the name of this poem? Ducks on the water. Name of the poem is Ducks on the Water. Okay, students. Quack, quack, quack. How do duck says? Duck says quack, quack, quack. Okay, clear everyone? Cat says meow, meow. Dog says bow, bow. And duck says quack, quack, quack. Ducks are sailing on what? Everybody repeat. Ducks are on what? Water. See the picture of ducks. You can see the picture of ducks. So many ducks are there over here. Look at the picture of ducks, everyone. Yes. How do the duck says? Duck says quack, quack, quack. Okay, students. Now, next line. Sailing down the river. Okay. Next line is sailing down the river. Ducks on the water. Quack, quack, quack. Sailing on the river. Yeah. Sailing down the river. Ducks on the water. How do duck says? Duck says quack, quack, quack. sailing down the river. अब sailing means what? I know. आपको समझ में नहीं आया ना sailing का मतलब? What is the meaning of sailing? You know, boats, ships. आप बैठे हो कभी ship में? SHIP ship, BOAT boat. They are sailing in the water. पानी में कैसे sail करते हैं? Right? So ducks are sailing quack 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 and sailing down the river. They are sailing in the river. Okay, students. So ducks on the water quack 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 sailing down the river. Okay, what are they sailing down? River. Sailing का मतलब पता है ना आप सबको? बोट और शिप. आप जाते हो ना बोटिंग में? यू गो टू गार्डन. आप गए हो ना अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ गार्डन में? तो हैव यू डन बोटिंग इन इंडियन? कभी किया है आपने बोटिंग? कितना मजा आता है? यू एंजॉय बोटिंग? यस, यू एंजॉय बोटिंग. हियर birds are sailing down the river. हम जैसे बोटिंग करते हैं ना, in the same way birds are sailing down the river. river का मतलब पता है ना आपको? बहुत ज्यादा पानी होता है, right? Sailing down the river. Okay, and next line, and then sailing back. Look at the next line, everyone. Then sailing back. Ducks on the water. How do ducks say? Quack, quack, quack. How, where the duck is? Duck is sailing down the river and then sailing back. They are sailing in water and then they are coming back. जैसे हम पानी में बोटिंग करते हैं, then we again come back. Ducks are sailing in the river and sailing back from here to there, there to here. Okay, students. So first four lines complete. Everybody read with me. सब लोग अब मेरे साथ रीड करेंगे. Ducks on the water. Say everyone with me. Ducks on the water. सबको पता है ना duck का मतलब? You can see this picture of ducks. You can see so many ducks are there here. Look how many ducks are there. Picture देख लो ना आप सब लोग. Look, there are so many ducks. Now what do ducks says? Ducks says quack quack quack. Ducks on the water quack quack quack. How ducks are saying? Ducks are saying quack quack quack. Sailing down the river. Where they are sailing? Sailing down the river. Repeat with me, everyone. Sailing down the river. Sailing down the river. Where the ducks are sailing? Down the river. जैसे हम करते हैं ना पानी में बोटिंग. Ducks are sailing down the river and then sailing back. They are sailing in the river and they are coming back. जैसे हम जाते हैं ना बोटिंग करने and then they come back. Ducks are sailing down the river and then sailing back. Okay, students. Ducks on the water quack quack quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Okay. Ducks on the water quack quack quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Okay, students, सबको समझ में आ गई लाइन? Now mother duck leads. Okay, students. Now see what is the next line? Mother duck leads. See, look at our next line. Mother duck leads. Mother duck पता है ना? Who is the mother? Okay, जैसे आपकी मम्मा होती है ना, she is your mother. There is a mother duck. All the ducks are also having a mother. जैसे आपकी मदर होती है ना, आपकी मदर को आप क्या बोलते हो? You call her मम्मा. मम्मा बोलते हो ना आपकी मदर को आप. So ducks are also having mother. They are still very small. You can see small ducks. Okay. Mother duck leads. अब आपको पता है आप जब बाहर जाते हो, whose finger do you hold? किसकी फिंगर पकड़ते हो आप? मम्मा की, पापा की पकड़ते हो ना? मम्मा के पीछे पीछे चलते हैं ना हम लोग. ओके, सो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज कॉल्ड लीड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? इट इज कॉल्ड एज लीड्स. मदर डक लीड्स. आपकी मदर होती है ना, आप अपनी मदर को क्या कहते हो? यू कॉल योर मदर mama. So all these ducks are also having mother. तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Mother duck. Leads का मतलब मैंने समझाया ना आपको. Did you understand? Leads means what? जब आप बाहर जाते हो तो आप किसके फिंगर पकड़ कर चलते हो? मम्मा और पापा. यू विल गो बैक ऑफ योर मदर, राइट? मम्मा के पीछे पीछे चलते हैं. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड लीड्स. हियर ऑल्सो ऑल द डक्स आर गोइंग बैक ऑफ देयर मदर. डक्स किसके पीछे जा रहे हैं? दे आर गोइंग बैक ऑफ देयर मदर. डिड यू सी स्टूडेंट्स? लुक एट द पिक्चर एवरीवन. All these ducks are going back of their mother. This is the mother duck. And all these ducks are going back of their mother. समझ में आ गया सबको? Clear everyone? Okay. Then next line. Okay. Now next line. Ducklings behind. Can you see ducklings? Now what is the meaning of ducklings? Look here students, everyone. See, this is the mother duck. You can see this is mother duck and all the other ducklings. Ducklings means the small kids of the ducks are called ducklings. See, you are having your mama and papa, right? So what are you called? आपको क्या बोलेंगे? Small kids. छोटे छोटे बच्चे बोलते हैं ना small kids. You are called small kids. Okay. So all these small ducks are called as kids. You can see all these small ducks are called as ducklings. उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे हम? They are called as ducklings. Okay student. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind. Look everyone. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind. Did you understand? समझ में आया? Mother duck. जैसे आपकी मदर होती है, you call your mother as mama. वैसे ducklings, ducks are also having their mother. तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? It is called as mother duck. Mother duck leads. Leads means आगे आगे चलना. That is called leads. जैसे हम बाहर जाते हैं ना, तो your mother, your father are walking and you are walk. आप उनके पीछे पीछे चलते हो, right? You are walking back of your mama. Okay, so ducklings are also going back of the mother duck. Mother duck आगे आगे चल रही है, उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Lead. Lead. And ducklings are going back of the mother duck. Mother duck के पीछे कौन चल रहा है? Ducklings. जैसे you go back of your mama. आप अपनी मम्मा के पीछे चलते हो ना. So mother ducks is leading. Lead बोलते हैं ना, Lead. Lead means mother duck is walking and ducklings are going back of the mother duck. Ducklings किसके पीछे जा रहे हैं? Mother duck के पीछे जा रहे हैं ना. Ducklings means what? Small ducks are called as ducklings. जैसे आपको क्या बोलेंगे? Small kids. They are called as small ducklings. वो किसके पीछे जा रहे हैं? They are going back of mother duck. Next line. Okay, what is the next line? Next line is, you can see the next line. Trim little swimmers. They are little. आप छोटे हो ना, तो what do we call? Little kids. You are little kids of your parents. तो trim little swimmers. मैंने आपको पहले क्या समझाया था पोयम में? That ducks are sailing. You can see sailing down the river and then sailing back. जो सेल करते हैं ना, so they are called as swimmers. आपने तो स्विमिंग किया होगा ना समर में. How many of you did swimming in the pool? स्विमिंग पूल में किया ना स्विमिंग आप लोगों ने? When you are in senior KG, you did swimming in the pool? Yes, you did swimming. So you are called as a swimmer. Ducks are also sailing. मैंने पहले समझाया था ना, they are sailing down the river and then sailing back. So they are little swimmers. Okay students, उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे? Little swimmers in a long straight line. See, next line in the poem is, see the next line everyone. In a long straight line. See how the ducks are going. See, when you are going for your recess, अब जब स्कूल आते हो, when you are going back to home, how do you move? We move in a line. Yes, that is good manners. You should always move in a line, otherwise you will fall down. See, ducks are also moving in a line. Can you see the line everyone? Look at the line. Ducks are moving in a line. Yes, they are moving in a line. किसके पीछे जा रहे हैं? They are going back of mother duck. This is the mother duck, and all these are ducklings. Ducklings मतलब small ducks are called as ducklings. Small ducks किसके पीछे जा रहे हैं? They are going back of mother duck. Okay students, did you understand? Trim little swimmers. वो छोटे छोटे है ना, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल, सो दे आर कॉल्ड लिटल स्विमर्स. जैसे आप लोग छोटे छोटे हो, राइट? यू आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज little. So these ducklings are little swimmers in a long straight line. See how they are moving? They are moving in a long straight line. All the ducks are moving in a straight line. So clear students? Everybody will read after me. Mother duck leads. Repeat everyone. Mother duck leads. Ducklings behind. Okay. Ducklings behind. Mother duck leads. Ducklings behind. Trim little swimmers. Read everyone with me. चलो come on. Everybody should read. वॉइस बहुत बड़ी आनी चाहिए. Big voice should come at your home. फिर मम्मा आपको पूछेगी. Trim little swimmers. Read everyone. Trim little swimmers. Okay. In a long straight line. In a long straight line. ठीक है, अब स्टार्टिंग से रीड करेंगे. Ducks on the water. Ducks कहाँ पर है? They are in water. पानी में होते हैं ना ducks. Quack quack quack. What do ducks says? Duck says quack quack quack. Next, sailing down the river. Sailing मतलब जैसे हम बोट में सेलिंग करते हैं. Ducks are also sailing in the river and then sailing back. Mother duck leads. Leads मतलब आगे आगे चलना. That is called as leads. Mother duck leads. Who is going at the front? Mother duck. जैसे आपकी मदर को आप क्या कहते हो? मम्मा. Okay, so mother duck leads. Ducklings behind. Small ducks are called what? छोटे छोटे ducks को हम क्या कहेंगे? They are called as ducklings. Ducklings behind. Trim little swimmers. Ducks are very little. They are small small. They are called as little swimmers in a long straight line. See students, सब लोग यहाँ पर देखो पिक्चर में. Look in the picture. This is mother duck. Okay. She is moving at the front. आगे आगे चल रहा है ना. These are ducklings. See, 1, 2, 3. How many ducklings? 3 ducklings. Okay. How they are going? They are going back of their mother. जैसे आप अपनी मदर के पीछे जाते हो ना. They are going back of their mother. They are little swimmers. Okay. They are little swimmers. जैसे we move in a line, we walk in a line. These ducklings are also going in a line. Can you see? In a long line. They are going in a long line. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो. They are going in a long line. This is mother duck. These are ducklings. They are going in a line. समझ में आ गया सबको? Yes, clear students. Okay. Next. Next line. See the next line, everyone. Out of the river. Can you see? Out of the river into the nest. See the next line, everyone. Into the nest. Now they are coming out of the river. अब you have done swimming in the swimming pool. Okay. Then आपको बाहर तो आना पड़ेगा ना. You have to come out of swimming pool. Now ducks are coming out of the river. कहाँ से बाहर आ रहे? They are coming out of the river. Where they will go? Okay. Students, tell me, where do birds live? Birds live in a nest. Okay. So when they are coming out of the river, they are going into the nest. See here, everyone. Into the nest. Out of the river, into the nest. Can you see this, everyone? Out of the river. वो लोग कहाँ से बाहर आ रहे? They are coming out of the river and they are going into the nest. ठीक है? Now their swimming is over. They are little swimmers. Their swimming is over. Then फिर वो कहाँ जाएंगे? They are going to their home. आपने पार्क में बोटिंग कर ली. Then you will go to home. Yes, घर जाओगे ना अपने मम्मा के साथ, पापा के साथ, right? So their swimming is over and they are going into the nest because उनका home कहाँ पर है? Their home is in their nest. Next, time for the family. Next line, time for the family to have a rest. Can you see this, everyone? Time for the family to have a rest. Now it is time to take rest. When we are tired, जब हम बहुत थक जाते हैं, then we go with our family and we take rest. Okay, students? Time for the family to have rest. Family means what? See here. This is the family of the ducks. It is time for the family to have rest. Did you understand, everyone? Next, under her wings. Next line, under her wings, mother duck tucks. Now you know what is the meaning of wings. Wings का मतलब पता है आप लोगों को students? Do you know what is the meaning of wings? Wings, you know, birds are having wings. With the help of their wings, they fly. If the bird wants to fly, it will fly with wings. आपने देखे होंगे ना birds के wings, right? Mother duck tucks. Tucks means what? Covers. See, when you can look in the picture, everyone. Mother duck tucks. Tucks means covers. Mother duck is covering all the ducklings. Ducklings means what? Little ducks are called as ducklings, right? Mother duck is covering. आपने देखा है students, when a bird covers it all the ducklings with the wings. अपनी wings से सारे छोटे छोटे ducks को cover कर दिया. Who covered? Mother duck. Okay, let us see from here. Out of the river into the nest. When all the ducks are coming out of the river, where they will go? They will go into the nest. Okay, time for the family to have a rest. Why they are going into the nest? To take rest, because it is time to take rest. Under her wings, mother duck tucks. Tucks का मतलब cover. जैसे your mama covers you with your hands. मम्मा ऐसे cover करती है ना आपको hands से, right? Mother duck is also covering. Now see, mother duck, can you see? Mother duck is covering all the other ducklings with its wings. Tucks का मतलब क्या होता है? Covers. Next line, two little drakes and three little ducks. हाउ मेनी ड्रेक्स सी, आप सबको डक का मतलब पता है, यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डक? डक एंड ड्रेक, ड्रेक मीन्स मेल डक, जैसे होता है ना ब्रदर इज मेल, सिस्टर फीमेल होता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ब्रदर इज मेल, सिस्टर इज फीमेल, Drakes is male and ducks is female. Understood everyone? Brother is male, sister is female. Drakes होता है male. Okay, जैसे brother होता है male, Drake is also male और duck होता है female. Okay, Drake means male ducks. Okay, right? Understood everyone? जैसे kids में होता है ना boys and girls. Drakes means male ducks and ducks को होता है female. Okay students. So last paragraph. Under her wings, mother duck tugs. Mother duck tugs means what? Covers. किसके नीचे कवर कर रही है वो सबको? अपनी विंग्स के नीचे कवर कर रही है. 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. डक्स कितने हैं टोटल? 3 और ड्रेक्स 2. ओके, ड्रेक्स आर 2 एंड डक्स आर 3. ओके, जैसे ब्रदर इज मेल एंड सिस्टर इज फीमेल, तो डक्स में कैसे हम कहेंगे? ड्रेक इज मेल एंड डक इज फीमेल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम रिपीटिंग थर्ड पैराग्राफ एंड फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. Out of the river into the nest. Now all the ducks are coming out of the river, right? Where they are going? They are going into the nest. Why? Time for the family to have a rest, because they want to take rest. Under her wings, mother duck tugs. Wings तो देखे ना, birds fly with the help of their wings, right? Mother duck tucks. Tucks means she covers. अपनी wings के नीचे mother duck covers. To whom she covers? She covers all the duckling. Duckling का मतलब समझाया था ना मैंने. Small ducks are called as ducklings. 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Drakes means male duck. Okay, जैसे brother is male and sister is female. Drakes is male and ducks is females. Okay students, so we are going to read the full poem and then our lecture is completed. Everybody will read along with me. Ducks on the walk. चलो सब लोग read करो मेरे साथ. Everybody will read along with me. Ducks on the water, quack quack quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind. Trim little swimmers. Repeat. Trim little swimmers in a long straight line. See students, all the ducklings are moving in a line. This is mother duck and all the ducklings are going back of mother duck. Out of the river into the nest. Time for the family to have a rest. Under her wings, mother duck tucks. 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Okay students, you will read this poem at home and you will show it to your mama. ठीक है, मम्मा को ये poem read करके सुनानी है. Okay students, bye bye, take care.